Hello all, welcome back to Trinity Software. In this video, let's see how to convert an image to text using Python. So the image can be either a JPEG file or PNG file which contains English as well as non-English text. From this image, we can extract text and store it in a separate file using Python with just 5 lines of code. To do that, initially we have to install PyTesseract library. This is the command to install PyTesseract. You have to install this in the command prompt pip install PyTesseract. This will install Python Tesseract, which is actually an optical character recognition tool for Python. So this is used to recognize and read the text which is embedded in the image. So this OCR or optical character recognition tool uses artificial intelligence for text search. So you can take any image and extract text from that image. But while choosing the image, the better the image quality in terms of size, contrast and lighting, the better will be the recognition result. Okay. Next we have to go for downloading and installing Tesseract OCR engine. That is mandatory for PyTesseract to work. So to download Tesseract OCR setup, we need to go to this link. I have given the link in the description below. We have a list of exe files. So from this, if you have Windows 64-bit, you have to go for Windows 64 setup or else Windows 32 setup. So this is the latest version 2021-56 Tesseract OCR W64 setup.exe. So you have to download this. I have downloaded this. Now you can install this. The process is very simple. You can just install with the default settings. The only thing you have to note is the location where it is being installed. I have installed it in C:\program files. So this is Tesseract OCR. Fine. Now we can just start writing the code to extract text from the image file. We have to import PyTesseract as pt. Okay. We need to set the path for the Tesseract so that PyTesseract can identify that OCR engine. pt.pytesseract.tesseract _cmd equal to, we need to give the location using raw string literal and give it here and then Tesseract. Okay, so the path has been set. Now we need to retrieve the text from the image. So I am retrieving the text from the image and I am going to store it in a variable called res pt.image_to_string. And we are going to pass the file name with the location. I have this image with English test quiz add.png file in f:. So I just give f: quiz add.png. Now you can directly print the result res and verify the output, or you can just store it in a file and then access it whenever you need. So I am just going to store it in a file. Open a file in the same location f:/ quiz add.txt, okay, with wmode as the file object f. Okay, then we need to write the contents to this file using f.write of res. That's it. Now let's execute it. Okay. Now let's check this in f:. So quiz add.txt has been created. I'll just open it with the notepad. I'll also open the image. So this is the original image and this is the extracted text from the image. Now we can also extract non-English text from the images. So to do that, we need to download trained data for that particular language. So in that case, I have an image file which contains both English as well as Tamil language. So I need to download Tamil trained data. So this is the location from which you can download the trained data files for any non-English language. So we have many languages trained data here, from which I am going to select Tamil tam.trained data. I have downloaded here. Place this tam.trained data in the Tesseract OCR location. So this is the location. Under this Tesseract OCR, you have to go to test data folder and paste tam.trained data here. Okay, already we had eng.trained data. If you want any other languages also, you can download. Okay, Now write the code to retrieve the Tamil text. So this is the file we are going to convert. Here we have both English as well as Tamil text. So that is trinitytheni.jpg. And for any non-English language, you have to mention this language separately. Lang is equal to, if it is going to be fully Tamil language, you have to give TAM. Since that JPEG file contains both English as well as Tamil, I am just going to give ENG plus TAM. That is the trained data. Okay, now let me store this in trinity.text in W mode. For recognizing the Tamil text, we have to mention this encoding also. Encoding is equal to UTF-8. That's it. Okay, so we have got this trinity.text file. Okay, so this is the image and this is the text retrieved, which contains both English as well as non-English text. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe.